Welcome back to our ServiceNow GRC series. In our last video, we explored the power of predictive intelligence in GRC, where AI and machine learning help organizations forecast risk and prepare for compliance challenges before they arise. Today, we are going to shift gears to a critical pillar of governance, audit management. Audits are often seen as stressful events, piles of documents, endless coordination, and tight deadlines. But with ServiceNow Audit Management, the process becomes far structured, transparent, and efficient. We will break this down into four sections: the purpose of our audit management, key ServiceNow audit management features, the audit lifecycle in ServiceNow, and finally the benefit organization gain from adopting this module. Audit play an essential role in governance, risk, and compliance. Let's look at why audit management is important. Ensuring accountability. Audit verify whether people are following policies, whether risks are being managed, and whether controls are operated as intended. Verifying compliance. Regulatory bodies often demand proof that organizations are meeting legal and industry standards. Audits provide that assurance. By testing controls and identifying gaps, audits highlight weakness before they become bigger issues. When third-party auditors or regulators comes in, have structured, well-documented internal audits makes the process smoother and less disruptive. So audit management is about more than just checking boxes. It's about building trust, transparency, and resilience. ServiceNow audit management features. ServiceNow streamlines the audit process with a set of robust features. Centralized audit plans. Instead of scattered spreadsheet, ServiceNow provides a single location to create, manage, and track all audit activities. Automated audit workflows, notification, task management, task assignment, and approvals are automated, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. Evidence collection. ServiceNow links directly to compliance records, risk data, and attachment, making it easy to gather and store audit evidence in one place. Task management. Auditors can assign responsibilities, track progress, and monitor timelines directly within the platform. These features simplifies the audit process and ensures teams remain aligned. Audit lifecycle in ServiceNow. Audit management in ServiceNow follows a structured lifecycle. Audit planning defines the scope, objectives, timeline, and resource required for the audit. ServiceNow enables auditors to prioritize based on risk and compliance needs. Executions. Auditors conduct tests, gather evidence, and document results using guided workflows that ensure consistency and accountability. Reporting findings. Audit findings are documented, categorized, and shared with relevant stakeholders through dashboards and reports. Once findings are identified, corrective actions are assigned and tracked to closure, ensuring gaps are resolved quickly. The structured life cycle provides clarity and discipline to what is often a chaotic process. Benefits of ServiceNow audit management. Finally, let's highlight the benefits organization experience when using ServiceNow for audit management. Real-time visibility. Dashboard provides instant insight into audit progress, open findings and remediation status, reduce manual effort, automation replace repetitive tasks, freezing up auditors to focus on analysis rather than paperwork. Streamlined evidence handling. All supporting documents are stored in a centralized system, making audits faster and more reliable. Faster closure of findings. With automated tracking and notification, corrective actions are resolved much more quickly. Together, these benefits transform audits from the painful obligations into a value driven process. So, that's all about GRC audit management. In our next video, we will expand on this theme by exploring business continuity management in ServiceNow, ensuring organizations remain resilient even in the face of disruptions.